When it comes to purchasing a shower seat, we all want something durable, reliable, easy to clean, and of course, something that will pass the test of time. The Parkville Shower Seat by Autumn Lane provides all that and more. With its sleek and strong design, the Parkville Shower Seat is the perfect complement to any style of decor. Along with its luxurious design comes durability and ease. Made from hygienic and mold-resistant material, this seat can hold up to 350 pounds, is easily cleaned with non-abrasive cleaning products and detergents, and unlike some teak products, will not stain over time. This seat is so compact that it protrudes a mere 2 inches from your wall when folded, making it an attractive and unobtrusive addition to your bathroom. Any strong and durable shower seat needs professional installation. With the help of your handyman, you can have your Parkville shower seat installed in no time. Your handyman will know the required fixings to get your seat up and whether or not your wall will need any reinforcements. The Parkville shower seat will provide you with the reliability, cleanliness, and elegance you deserve.